Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful natural remedy that you might not have heard of before, clove water. For hundreds of years, cloves have been an important part of traditional medicine. They're not just known for their great taste, but also for their many health benefits. Just think about enjoying a warm, fragrant drink that helps your body while you sleep. Sounds interesting, right? In this video, we'll reveal 7 amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night and how this simple drink can boost your health and well-being. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss out on our newest health tips and natural remedy insights. So, pour yourself a cup of clove water, get comfortable, and let's learn more about the power of this little spice. What is clove water? So, what is clove water? Clove water is a simple drink made by soaking whole cloves, dried flower buds from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, in hot water. These tiny buds have a warm, spicy smell and are packed with antioxidants, essential vitamins, and aromatic oils that offer great health benefits. Making clove water is super easy. Just grab about 5 to 10 whole cloves and put them in a cup of hot water. Let them sit for around 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors and nutrients to blend into the water. Once it cools, strain out the cloves, and you can drink your clove water either warm or cold, whichever you prefer. Now that you know what clove water is and how easy it is to prepare, let's explore the 7 amazing benefits you can get from adding this to your nightly routine. The 7 benefits of drinking clove water at night. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Clove water is packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help fight off free radicals in your body. These free radicals can cause damage to your cells over time, leading to oxidative stress. By drinking clove water, you're not just keeping yourself hydrated, but you're also giving your body a natural way to defend against this kind of cellular damage, helping you maintain overall health. 2. Aids digestion. When it comes to digestion, clove water can make a real difference, especially if you drink it at night. Cloves contain a substance called eugenol, which can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. This can lead to better digestion, less gas, and reduced bloating. So, if you often feel heavy or uncomfortable after eating, drinking clove water before bed might be just the thing to help you feel more at ease. 3. Supports sleep quality. If you find it hard to fall asleep, clove water might be able to help. It has calming properties that can ease anxiety and stress, making it easier for you to unwind and fall asleep. Think of it as a warm, soothing drink that can become a comforting part of your bedtime routine, helping you get the restful sleep you've been missing. 4. Boosts immune system. Clove water is also great for your immune system. Cloves have natural antimicrobial properties that can help your body fight off infections. By making clove water a regular part of your routine, you're giving your immune system an extra boost, making it easier for your body to ward off common illnesses. 5. Helps with weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, clove water might be a useful addition to your plan. The compounds in cloves can help boost your metabolism, which means you can burn more calories even when you're not actively moving around. Including clove water in your evening routine could support your efforts to reach or maintain a healthy weight. 6. Improves oral health. Clove water can also benefit your oral health. Cloves have antibacterial properties, making this drink a good choice for keeping your mouth healthy. It can help reduce bad breath and even combat issues like gum disease. For an extra boost, you can swish clove water around in your mouth before swallowing, helping to keep your breath fresh and your gums healthy. 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Finally, clove water may help keep your blood sugar levels balanced. This can be especially important for people who have diabetes or those who want to maintain stable glucose levels. The compounds in cloves can improve how your body responds to insulin, which helps manage sugar levels more effectively. Drinking clove water at night could be a simple but helpful addition to your diet. These 7 benefits show how clove water can be a great way to support your health while you sleep. Now that you know how beneficial clove water can be, let's talk about how you can easily make it a part of your nightly routine. How to incorporate clove water into your routine. Now that you know how amazing clove water can be, you might be thinking about how to easily add it to your nightly routine. Here are some easy and effective tips to help make clove water a pleasant part of your evening. 1. Consistency is key. Try to drink clove water at the same time each night, maybe right before bed or after dinner. Making it a habit will help you enjoy its benefits over time. 2. Pair with honey or lemon. If you like a bit of sweetness, think about adding a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your clove water. It not only makes it taste better, but also gives you extra health perks, like vitamin C and natural antibacterial properties. 3. Mindful drinking. Take a moment to enjoy the smell and warmth of your clove water. This small practice can help create a calm setting, helping you unwind and relax as you get ready for a good night's sleep. And that's it. The 7 amazing benefits of drinking clove water before bed. Adding this simple yet powerful drink to your nightly routine can lead to big improvements in your health over time. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Sharing this video with your friends and family could help them learn about the benefits of clove water too. Have you ever tried clove water? We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts in the comments below.